First is animal fantasies and second is arabesque designs, and it's a unique opportunity to embellish, personalise, colour and render surfaces in your home with these decals or wall stickers, and here they are, peelable from inside the book. You can colour some of them in and use them in any number of creative ways for other crafts projects, of course, or alongside your bathtub. And you get 57 ready to apply stickers, which are long lasting and remain in good condition so long as the rules are applied. So there's some fish. I don't know if you can see that close up. I'm trying to get that, which you can colour in if you wish to. You could have a line of snails heading across your kitchen or animals in the nursery. So there are ideas here just to liven up areas of your home with the stickers provided. A children's nursery,